Hello, community! The eBay community is a dedicated space for sellers, buyers, and eBay employees to share information, give and ask for help, meet new people, and learn new things. And we hope you're connecting with like-minded people here. For your journey here to be as great as can be sure to check out these additional resources so that you can stay on top of all things eBay. On the right-hand menu in each board, you'll find articles or videos addressing common questions and see what's new at eBay under Featured Posts, and get the answers to all of your questions about buying and selling with a wide array of resources available under the Buying and Selling tab. Here, you'll be able to find information on shipping, returns, payments, seller tools, iOS and Android apps, and a lot more. On the announcements board, subscribe to be the first to get the latest updates and eBay announcements. Hear about news on payments, shipping, product updates, and more. Also, get policy and need-to-know updates for your business here. In eBay for Business on YouTube, you'll find the inspiration, how-tos, news, advice, and seller stories to help power your success. Whether you're just starting to sell or you're a reseller building a small business, head to youtube.com/eBay for Business. On the eBay for Business podcast, you'll get a weekly dose of all that you need to know to start, run, and grow your business. Learn how to improve your selling skills and have some laughs along the way by exploring the eBay podcast library. In the Seller Center, you can tap into a selling encyclopedia to learn how to get started on eBay, create listings, run your store, and much more. In eBay News, explore the eBay press room for the latest news, stories, and more. On the System Status Board, you can check the status of an issue that you may be facing with an eBay site or service. If we're aware of a hiccup and are working on resolving it, you can check its status here. In the eBay Security Center, you can check out tips and resources to help you stay safe while buying and selling online. Ready to take a step ahead in your eBay community journey? Head to community.ebay.com.